What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another reaction. Now, first things first, shout out to OCB Breezy. He requested Solo Cello. This one here is called VIP, featuring Elvie the God. Nah, y'all know Elvie the God definitely go hard as fuck. I fuck with Elvie the God hard. The first song I've ever heard from him, and I'm gonna be honest about this, is it was called what was it called? La Familia? La Mafia? Something like that. It was that one song that hit on World Star. That shit was hard. And ever since then I started searching up his music. Music is definitely dope as fuck. Now this one here is definitely, he's a feature. So this one is with Solo Cello, and pretty sure that's what it is. But on the title it says VIP, so I'm pretty sure that's just a song name. But OCB Breezy said it's Solo Cello, so I'm gonna call him Solo Cello. But yeah, this one here is called VIP, and I said that again. But if you are new to this channel, I'm Royalty. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, like and share this video. Let's keep going. 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. How we make it? Like I said, I got big plans, big ideas, big moves coming when I hit 10K. Just know. Let's keep going. So comment down below what else next you guys want to see. New songs. Check out my channel. I do a little bit of everything. And stay active in the comments. I will be doing more giveaways soon. So stay active on there. Y'all will see. So let's get right into the song, bro. I just want to see what it's about. This one just came out a couple days ago. So let's get right into this reaction. Okay. That Walmart cart looks bent as fuck.
Bro, it's not that serious.
I don't know.
Yeah, look at this shit. She cut on my show with no underwear on. She know after that half on the hit. And little baby, she look like a Coca-Cola bottle. Maybe I might take a sip. Told her shorty she gotta go away for a minute. My other bitch throwing the fit. Smith and Wesson make that nigga skate for a minute. I heard he was talking that shit. I like to run up inside of the bank and deposit some shit I just made on the trip. Hop inside of the reef and these niggas was jelly, so I put the peanut butter in the whip. And she say I'm a very important person when I go to the club or reside in the VIP. My life is all about making that money and going to places I ain't never been. And she was aware that Benihana said she wanted a fuss, so I gave it a tip. Calling my nigga from Colorado in the store, and I feel like I need me a zip. Drove it the front, so I'm out of the back, and you know that I make the car dash like him. She saw me on the TV screen. She say I'm a BBIG. Shorty wanna fuck, I'm a VIP. Beat the pussy, I'll let her rest in peace. And I really keep it tucked for OPP. Never really give a fuck about the whole OG. Better watch your tongue when you come around me. I got big boy funds, I'm stacking that green. She saw me on the TV screen. She say I'm a BBIG. Shorty wanna fuck, I'm a VIP. Beat the pussy, I'll let her rest in peace. And I really keep it tucked for OPP. Never really give a fuck about the whole OG. Better watch your tongue when you come around me. I got big boy funds, I'm stacking that green.
I got big boy funds, I'm a self-made boss. I'm in a Maybach feeling like Rick Ross. You can't be mad at me cause you broke. Little nigga, it ain't my fault. When I get dressed, I put too much sauce. When I'm in the mall, I get what I want. I got a nigga bitch calling my phone. When she see me, her panties fall off. You know how we go. I'm still with this shit. It's on for the bitches and hustle, but all of the killers gon' murder to this. We gon' run your try to your face on the curtain. If you move a muscle, a bitch. Show me the money, I need all of it. Please don't come around if you counterfeit. If you know me, you know I'll never flip. A lot of niggas, they ain't meant for this shit. Lately, I've been trying to empty the clip. Crunch a nigga like a chip. Leave him drippy like a dip. I'm in the club with my clique. I'm probably fucking your bitch. I got her and her friends in the VIP. For a little tip, she gon' strip.
She saw me on the TV screen. She say I'm a
Yo,
BB.
Elvie the God,
Shorty wanna fuck, I'm a VIP.
definitely.
Beat the pussy, I'll let her rest in peace. And I really keep it tucked for OPP. Never really give a fuck about the whole OG. Better watch your tongue when you come around me. I got big boy funds, I'm stacking that green. She saw me on the TV screen. She say I'm a BBIG. Shorty wanna fuck, I'm a VIP. Beat the pussy, I'll let her rest in peace. And I really keep it tucked for OPP. Never really give a fuck about the whole OG. Better watch your tongue when you come around me. I got big boy funds, I'm stacking that green.
Okay. Alright. Now that's the end of this video. If you guys wanna rate this from 10. 10 be fire, 1 be trash. Let me know what you guys do think. Me, I give this like a 7.5, because I always want to see songs that have videos to it, you know, just to give it the visuals, to give a bit better understanding of the song. And also, I don't know, Elvie the God definitely went in, you know, Elvie the God don't disappoint me at all. Definitely got flow. Solo, you did your thing too. Maybe I just gotta hear a little bit more of your music just to catch a more of a bigger vibe to your flow. But ain't nothing bad about you, bro. Definitely did your thing. Definitely gotta see more some of your music that's solo. So, you know, just to get a better how you say it, better judgment of your music. So yeah, let me know what you guys do think in the comment section. Shout out to OCB Breezy for requesting this. Comment down below, bro. What's next? Let me know what y'all think. And that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on the next one.